Okay everybody, I've got a nice little set of nails for you here. This is being done. I am not working, so anyone who's watching this that knows me will know that I'm not working. This is my daughter Holly, and she's in isolation. She lives in the same house as me. She's 16, nearly 17 years old, and she's been working as a dental technician for the last few months, so she's not been able to have nails, so it's a little bit of a treat for her to have some, like, I know it's not good to have time off, but some time to have some nails on, even though she can't show them anybody. So I thought I would show them you instead, because we're all locked away. I know it's happening all over the world. Here in the UK it's pretty bad, but we're all trying to stay inside and not go out. It's the strangest thing ever. I mean, I'm 43 and I have never ever known businesses to close down, shops and schools, and it's actually crazy. It's so crazy, it's just surreal. But we're going to lighten the mood and we're going to give you a set of nails. So these ones are done with Fantasy and Snow White. I have used some glitters and they are mixed, so it's just like bits of old pink glitter that I had, so I've used some of that. I've used, forgotten what it's called, but one is from the Glitter Planet, and there is some butterflies from Angel Glitter Mats as well, that I'm going to put into these, and I'm going to do a cut on this one. So I'm just placing down, I think that's like my second bead now. These nails have already been prepped and primed, and the forms have already been applied to all of the nails. And I do this, I don't use a clear base. I don't know what happened there, but my screen went black for a second, but it doesn't happen again. I have checked my video. So yeah, I don't use a clear base. I literally build, file, and then add my white in afterwards. So this one we're going to go in with Snow White, and I'm going to blend it backwards, and then I'm going to pull it in at the sides and create my shape for my nail bed. So I'm sculpting these, I'm not using tips. And then I just pat it out side to side, keep my shape in. I can't even speak, it's because I've not done this for so long. Yeah, keep my shape in, and yep, pull it out until I've got my length, and then I'll probably go in with another bead, which I usually do because I have a really bad habit, and I always do it. I can't correct it, it's just the way I do nails. I think that I end up with it too thin near the free edge, so I always put in an extra bead there to make sure that I don't get any breakages. My nails always last anywhere between 3 to 6 weeks usually. I don't advise 6 weeks, but some of my clients are a little bit of a pain and they don't come back when they're supposed to do. I can't police them, unfortunately, but yeah, they do last quite a long time. And this is all CJP products, so apart from my brush is from Nails by Annabelle that I'm using today, and it's the size 14. It's the rose gold coloured one. I know she's got some new brushes on there, but yeah, I'm using the size 14 Nails by Annabelle, the original one. I've had it quite a long time. It's a very good brush. It feels so strange to do a video, but I know that you ladies are all like waiting for us to put videos up, and it's going to be difficult. I mean, I have 5 daughters, so it's not that hard for me. When they all need nails, I will use their hands, and when they don't need nails and I don't need nails, then I will use my silicone hand instead to do some designs on. I have got another set to come because Holly is one of 2. She's a twin. So her twin Amy has just had her nails done, and I've taken the inspo from the pictures that the children have been putting up. So it is a really cute, pretty set. I wanted to make it look like a child had done it, which isn't hard for me. But yeah, it's got quite a lot of nail art in, which is a bit different for my videos, but it is a massive collaboration. It's been made by Lorraine Pomfrey, so she is Those Nails by Lorraine, so she's in it. Trey's Nails is in it. There's a nail tech called Shona. So yeah, there's a few of them, but I will list them when I do put that video up. But that video has been made, it's not been edited yet, and the set has already been done, but that'll be coming at some point at the end of this week. I'm going to hold it back for a little bit, just mainly because I'm getting around to voice over these videos. I mean, it's like 12:30, so midnight at the moment. And I've just finished that set that I'm talking about. So I'm quite proud of it. I am quite proud of it. So I've just gone in there. I've put a few pieces of the glitter from the Glitter Planet down first, and then I put the butterflies in between where I'd placed them, just so then I could sort of gauge where I wanted to have my glitter. I wanted it to be quite sparse. There is another glitter being used in this, which is all from the glitter, also from the Glitter Planet, which is called Stacey's Mum. I do know that one, but I can't remember what the first one's called at all. Seriously can't remember what it is, but it's a nice iridescent. It's got like some little hexagons in it and things, so I've just used some of them hexagons, and then the butterflies from Angel Glitter Mats. So that's Angie, and I will put in links as well. So I'm going in again here with another ombre. I believe this one was a plain ombre, so I'm just feathering it back again like I did before, and then patting in the sides, patting across the top and pulling out the length with that first bead. Then I will definitely go in with another bead at the free edge, because I always do that. So another bead of white, just to make sure that the strength is under there. And then I'll go in with my Fantasy, which again are all CJP. They're all core powders, so they're all strength powders. So I want to take this opportunity to just send out my wishes and my prayers for anybody who's been affected by the virus that is going around. I know some of you will have sick family members, or God forbid you might have lost a family member. At the moment, touch wood, my granddaughter has had it. She's still she's only 4 years old. She's had it. At first they thought it was croup, and then they've said, yeah, it's highly likely that it is the virus, and they're not testing. So they've not been testing in the UK, but they are doing now. So we didn't get her tested, but the doctor said that is probably what it is. So we've all been in isolation and hiding her away from the world, so then nobody else gets infected and she doesn't get any polio, and luckily she is definitely improving. But yeah, I know that some of you are not that lucky, so just stay inside, stay safe, just literally only go out when absolutely necessary for food. None of us are going to work at the moment. Obviously I work at home anyway, but I've got nobody coming around for work. I closed my business 2 weeks ago when we found out about my little granddaughter, so nobody's been here for nails. Obviously just my daughters that already live with me anyway, so we're just like filling in some time. But yeah, I just wanted to wish you all good health, and I hope that nobody that is watching or the families are affected by the virus itself. I know everyone's affected by work and by other daily life just completely changing, and we're all in the same situation, and it is awful. Even just the little things like your teenagers wanting to be out 24/7 and they're not allowed to be out, so it's just a constant no, you can't, and please don't even try sort of thing, and just trying to keep them all occupied in the house is hard enough work. But I know you'll all feel my pain with that one, and all the homeschooling and getting them to do what they need to do. But my kids are actually quite good. I'm lucky with that, to be fair. They do their own work, and I have my own work to do as well. I've still got university work, even though that's shut down. I've still got an assignment due. But yeah, I think we're all in the same boat, and it is very, very sad times, and hopefully it'll pass and we'll all get back to normal as soon as possible. So this is Stacey's mom, and and she's got it going on. No, she hasn't really. Oh dear. Yeah, it's Stacey's mom, and it's from the Glitter Planet, and it's beautiful. I haven't used it for such a long time either. I've probably had this about a year, and I haven't used it nearly as much as I should. As soon as I use an old glitter, I don't know about you guys, but as soon as I pop out an old glitter that I've had for a while, I always think, why haven't I been using that? I should use that more, and I love doing that because it's like delving into my glitter drawer is like, it's like Aladdin's cave. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's like going to the shop every day, diving into that drawer. But yeah, I always buy things that I forget about because I'm like that, you know. So yeah, I haven't bought anything recently. I do know that most of the online stores are still open, so I might start shopping, you know, because I'm getting a bit bored. But yeah, I'll try and rein it in and not do that because we're all on a tight budget right now, having no work at all. Me and my partner are both self-employed, so we are basically up the creek, as we say here in England. We are up the creek without a paddle. But yeah, we'll just live day by day. Whatever it takes, keep my family safe. I will find a way to feed them. It's the least of my worries at the moment. I would sell my phone, I'd sell my nail stuff, I'd sell whatever I needed to feed my children. So I'm not worried about that. But it's it's a lot. It's a lot to take in. It is, it is. Anyway, we're going back to the first nail. So I'm going to file that line in nice and straight. And then I will go in. I usually go in from the side with my white bead. Don't know why. I will drain it first on my paper towel. So I'll pick up the bead, drain it on my paper towel, go in at the side, and then I pat and press it down into the corner, and then pat and press it up to the top. And that always seems to work for me. I don't know if it works for you or if you do it differently. I know a lot of people like to use a base layer, but I struggle with base layers. I'm not going to lie. I find that my nails end up looking a little bit too thick, and then I end up filing a little bit too much of them. So yeah, I do like to do it this way. This is the way that I'm used to doing it. It might not be the right way, but it's my way. So guys, I'm off. I'm going to go and I'm going to file these nails and come back when they are done. They'll be magically filed. There you go. Nice and magically filed. Give them a quick dust. Check that they're nice and smooth. And then I'm going to apply some crystals to the thumb and the other plain ombre and literally just top coat them. My top coat today is not CJP because the last time I put in an order, I completely forgot. So I ordered it from the Glitter Planet. I did order a new brush from the Glitter Planet as well. It is so pretty. These gems are also from CJP. And then them ones that I've just placed down there are from Angel Glitter Mats. So yeah, you can get all this stuff everywhere. Everywhere does it. And I'm using the gripper glue from CJP. So I'm going to pick all them up. I'm going to place them on. And then I'm going to leave you my after shots. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please stay safe, stay in, and hopefully this too shall pass. Love you all. Bye.